whatever, wherever you're oh my goodness, whenever you're watching this. Anyways, if you saw yesterday's video, I soaked these beans, there's still some in there, overnight. So I'm just going to rinse them off. And then I'm going to get the crock pot started so that we can get to cleaning today. That is my goal. The house isn't messy, but I do have a little bit of laundry to fold over there. And also this little, I'll have to come back and get the little piece. I also want to like vacuum and mop and do some deep cleaning. So I'm adding this chicken broth in right here. Yum. These beans are gonna have so much flavor because not only am I using that, but I'm gonna do, because this is half the bag of beans, I'm gonna do half of this pouch of flavor, ham flavor. When I went to open this, it just started to like pour out everywhere. Okay, so I'll do a little bit more. I'd say that's about half. And I'll save this other half for next time. I'm gonna put this on high because it's already 10:30. This is the only dish that I have that's dirty. I'm just gonna get one of these spoons. Got a spider web on it. Oh my gosh, y'all. There is, I don't know. That one's questionable. There's some weird powder on it, so I don't know what the powder was. This smells good. But it's already almost 11 o'clock, so I want this to be done by like 4 so I can eat dinner at that time. So put it on high. It's getting warm, and we are going to clean up this house.
Single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time, let me hold you.
So my vacuum cleaner light kept turning red, which means, girl, it's time to clean it. And oh my gosh, y'all, it's so filthy. And it's been months since I've cleaned it because I hate cleaning it, and I don't think I have any gloves on hand. So I think I'm gonna go get a butter knife, unplug the vacuum cleaner, and let y'all watch me clean this disgusting vacuum so we can actually vacuum our house today. So yeah, this has definitely turned into a filthy mobile home clean with me. I never use terms like that unless it's accurate, because you know, otherwise it's kind of clickbaity, but that's definitely filthy. So check your vacuum cleaners. Let me know on Instagram, like, is your vacuum cleaner also look like this? I'm ashamed, but we're gonna clean it up.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
Alright, so living room is vacuumed. That stuff I just keep right there anyways. Y'all, I think it was yesterday's video, I showed this candle, and you can tell I am running low on candles, so I don't have any more summer scented candles. So I have reverted back to my fall and winter candles, and they smell so good to me. But anyways, I love how the glass is it's like clear, the print on there, so it reflects off your wall. I think it's so pretty. And this one, Snowy Driftwood, it smells so good. Obviously I cannot tell you the notes of it because it's hot, but it smells really nice. It's not a food scented one, it's more of like a potpourri scented one. But also love the color blue, so pretty. But we're going to go ahead and clean up the kitchen. There's a few dishes that I need to put away, some that I need to do, and then the main thing in here is to sweep and mop. I sweep often, but I have not mopped in like over a week, so it needs to be done. And by the way, I'm going slow, so you may see me sped up, but I'm moving really slow today because I feel fine. If y'all don't know, I've had like kidney problems. I feel fine when I'm still, but if I try to get up and do stuff, I start to sweat and need to like sit back down. So I'm going slow, but we're still getting stuff done. I'm a pusher, like I don't let anything get me down. So I hope this motivates y'all that if you're feeling down, take breaks, relax in between, pace yourself, and then just do the best that you can do, because that is all anyone can ask, you know? If you're doing your best, that's all that matters. After we get done with the kitchen, I'll fold these clothes, and I have some more clothes that need to be folded in the dryer, so that's what we're doing. And here's Miss Chloe. She says, I love y'all, and she's looking outside. This is her throne that she likes to look out of. And that video right there, I just got done with. That was the cook with me that y'all saw yesterday. So I like to edit the day. If it's a short video, that was 15 minutes. So I edited that the same day it went up, but I filmed it the day before. And this video is going up on Thursday, and today is Wednesday. So there's your timeline. But let's go ahead and get this kitchen done. Nothing new. I'm using Love Mag. multi-surface cleaner. Y'all know I'm friends with her, and also I bought six of the concentrates, and I'm so close. I don't know if y'all can see where it is. I think it's like right here. That's how much I've used of the first concentrate. So I'm going to use this to clean off the counters real quick. Also, I did want to mention, if you have this as well, I saw so many reviews, and some people actually like do the ingredients and let you know what the ingredient is for. And the Love Make cleaner is a mild antibacterial disinfectant. So whenever I'm working with raw meat, I use a different spray. But if I'm just cleaning surfaces and just random things around the house, then I'll use this. So if you see me using like raw meat and stuff, know that I'm using, I actually think it's called Spick and Span, and I've just had it for a long time, and it is an antibacterial, so I use that whenever I'm working with raw meats. Okay, let's get into it.
Thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. Wizard of Oz can't undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Chair is somewhat organized. You know what cracks me up when I see people do this? How do they get their pillows to do that? Because this pillow was from Hobby Lobby and it's like firm. There is no doing that with it. It's a firm pillow. Anyways, Aaron must have gave Chloe a piece of bacon, and I didn't know about it, and so she hid it in that chair. Ah, how funny is that? Hi. Alright, so let me show you dinner. Let me throw this away. Nasty. Oh, okay. So, we all know I'm eating beans tonight. And I about started singing the bean song. Beans, beans. You know what I'm talking about. So, here it is. It smells so good. Yum. I love my camera. I love my camera. Okay, anyways. There's the beans. And they're done. So, I've had them on low for probably 2 hours now. I'm just gonna put them on warm because I'm not ready to eat dinner yet. But I'm gonna call it a day. Also, the other day when I showed y'all this, there's ants crawling on it. The one in the middle, the marigold, or no, zinnia, was sticking out further than the other ones, so I had to go back in and cut it a little bit shorter, and now it is all good. So, love my flowers. Anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here on Saturday. Yes, for another video, because we'll do the grocery haul and meal plan on that day, and then we'll do another clean with me on Monday. So, new schedule is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Hopefully that works out for y'all. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.
Pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding?